If you have an F-150, you know that putting down the rear seat to access the cargo area can be a bit of a pain. So today we're going to make it easier to put that back seat down by installing this BuiltRight Industries rear seat release. This rear seat release kit is designed to fit your 2009 to 18 SuperCrew and SuperCab F-150. It's designed to attach to the rear of your back seat to make it easier to fold down to access your cargo. It features a heavy-duty nylon red strap and CNC laser cut brackets for an easy install and perfect fit. For more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. Alright, the first thing we're going to do for this install is lift up the rear seat all the way. Behind the seat, there's a latch that secures it. Grab any closed end wrench and pull up on this pin right here to release the seat. Once the seat is released from the back, you have to unlock it with this lever and then it'll fold down. There's two T30 Torx bolts that secure the latch to the seat that need to be removed. Be very careful not to lose these bolts in the seat. Grab the provided bracket and strap and install the strap into the slit right here with this seam facing up, just like that. And this bracket will keep the strap locked, just like that. Won't come through. Now we can attach this to the latch on the back of the seat. Slide the BuiltRight Industries bracket on top of the latch, just like that. And then you have to get this bracket onto this pin right here, just like that. And now you can pull on the strap and it will release the latch. We can now bolt this to the seat, but when you do, make sure there's a little bit of play with this. You don't want it completely pinched against the latch. Tighten the bolts down. Make sure that it's working properly. Now you're done. Okay, we got our BuiltRight Industries rear seat release installed. Just to show you how easy it is to use, I'll demonstrate it for you. You just pull up on the strap, comes down no problem, and you put it back up. Really makes it a whole lot easier, and the red strap really stands out. I'd say give yourself 30 to 45 minutes to do this, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.